In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a pipe cutter to cut metal poles for drapery rods. This pipe cutter, here's the cutting blade right here, and that's adjusted by the little wheel over here on this side. Draws it in and out. On this side of the pipe cutter, these have little rollers. That's what allows the pipe to rotate as it's being cut. So once you've determined the finished width of your pole, then I'm going to use blue tape to mark mine. And for this purpose, I'm just going to cut about an inch off the pole. So you adjust the, you get the pole opened up, or the cutter opened up, and then line it up on your mark. And let me move my hands up a little bit here. You're just going to snug it up, not going to torque too much on it. And then give it a little twist to make sure that you're in the cutting zone. I normally take the tape off if possible then, because otherwise it's going to get caught in the rollers, and you may have to use another piece of tape. Alright, once you get it started, then it's just as simple as rotating it. And each time, or every other time you rotate, you give the dial a little bit more of a turn to keep that tension on the blade. Twist it again. About every other time, you want to give it just a little bit of a turn to keep the tension on the cutter. It's a noisy one today. Might be just the finish on the pole. And it's no calculated number of turns. You just got to keep going until the little piece is about ready to fall off, and you'll know. Now you want to make sure you're doing this over a soft surface, because you can see you got two hands here, unless your person has three hands. You got that one piece is just going to fall. So you want to make sure that's falling onto a blanket or a towel, not somebody's hardwood floor or furniture. And just keep adjusting it, the tension. There we go. That way, that one didn't fall because it was such a small piece. Normally, if you have a longer piece that you're cutting, it will fall off and stuff. So, hopefully you found that to be beneficial.